come along with me and see where we go. I am using a piece of fabric sample, and then I am just using a coordinating piece of fabric for the back. Now that I have done this, what I'm going to do is remove my top fabric, and I'm going to go ahead and fold this, not halfway, just a little less than halfway. I like to iron as I go, because that's the best way to ensure that you get a good finish on your project. So I'm going to fold this back 2 inches. I'm going to press. Never, never, never leave your iron on your fabric like I just did. I'm gonna do the right thing, and I'm not gonna leave the iron hanging out on the fabric. Here we go. And now I am going to go ahead and I'm going to stitch the double hem, because what I'm going to do next is just open this, fold it back to the crease or the seam in the fabric, fold it over like this, and just stitch. Okay, so I am going to go ahead I'm going to put some pins in. So my next step is to stitch all the way around. So I'm doing a 3-inch flange, and when I am done with this pillow, what I'm going to do is give you a minor lesson how to measure for your flange pillow. I'm going to use my whiteboard and do that lesson. Okay, so what I'm using here is a tailor's chalk. So my tailor's chalk will come out of the fabric easily. I'm doing a 3-inch flange. You don't have to do such a big flange. I'm just doing this because that's what my piece of fabric sample allows me to do. And I didn't want to cut any off. So, yeah. So, all I'm going to do right now is put my gimp trim right on top of the line that I have drawn, and then I'm going to go ahead and stitch, right? So, let's get started. Okay, so what I do when I get to the corner is basically turn the corner just like so, and then this gap that's here, I just put it down and then stitch on top. There we go, turn the corner and stitch. And then I'll just turn this end under, just like so, and just finish off. That's it. It's done. Just drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think. Also, like and share. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription button, and remember to turn on your bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much again for being here.